Mastering manufacturing process optimization. Only a select few know the secret to measuring manufacturing process efficiency. Who are the operational excellence team members responsible for identifying and monitoring the key performance indicators, KPIs, that accurately measure manufacturing process efficiency, and how do they track and report these metrics to ensure ongoing process optimization and improvement? In the pursuit of operational excellence, the identification and monitoring of key performance indicators, KPIs, is a crucial step in measuring manufacturing process efficiency. A team of operational excellence professionals, comprising of process owners, production managers, quality engineers, and lean manufacturing experts, are responsible for identifying and tracking these KPIs. Their primary objective is to ensure that the manufacturing process operates at the highest level of efficiency, productivity, and quality. The operational excellence team members are responsible for 1. Identifying relevant KPIs. The team identifies and selects relevant KPIs that accurately measure manufacturing process efficiency. These KPIs are typically quantifiable, measurable, and aligned with the organization's overall goals and objectives. Examples of KPIs include overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, throughput, lead time, yields, defect rates, and inventory levels. 2. Establishing targets and thresholds. The team sets realistic targets and thresholds for each KPI, ensuring that they are challenging yet achievable. These targets serve as a benchmark for process performance and are regularly reviewed and updated to reflect changing production requirements and customer demands. 3. Data collection and analysis. The operational excellence team is responsible for collecting and analyzing data related to the identified KPIs. This involves extracting data from various sources, including production schedules, quality control reports, maintenance logs, and inventory management systems. The team uses data analytics tools and statistical methods to analyze the data, identify trends, and pinpoint areas for improvement. 4. Visual management and dashboards. The team creates visual management systems, such as dashboards and scorecards, to track and display KPI performance in real time. These visual tools provide an instant snapshot of process performance, enabling swift decision-making and corrective action. 5. Regular review and reporting. The operational excellence team schedules regular review meetings to discuss KPI performance, identify areas for improvement, and allocate resources to address gaps. The team reports on KPI performance to senior management, providing recommendations for process improvements and highlighting successes and challenges. 6. Root cause analysis and corrective action. When KPI performance falls below target, the team conducts root cause analysis to identify the underlying causes of the deviation. They develop and implement corrective actions, monitor the effectiveness of these actions, and adjust them as necessary. 7. Continuous improvement. The operational excellence team fosters a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging employees to identify opportunities for process enhancements and suggesting innovative solutions. The team reviews and prioritizes these suggestions, implementing changes that yield significant improvements in process efficiency. 8. Training and education. The team provides training and education to production staff, equipping them with the skills and knowledge necessary to optimize process performance. This includes workshops on lean manufacturing principles, statistical process control, and problem-solving methodologies. To ensure the effective tracking and reporting of KPIs, the operational excellence team utilizes various tools and technologies, including 1. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, systems to track production schedules, inventory levels, and quality control data. 2. Manufacturing Execution Systems, MES, to monitor and control production processes in real time. 3. Statistical Process Control, SPC, software to analyze process data and detect anomalies. 4. Data analytics platforms to extract insights from large datasets and identify trends. 5. Collaboration and communication tools, such as workflow management software, to facilitate teamwork and knowledge sharing. By adopting a structured approach to KPI identification, tracking, and reporting, the operational excellence team ensures that the manufacturing process operates at the highest level of efficiency, productivity, and quality. This enables the organization to achieve its goals, enhance customer satisfaction, and maintain a competitive edge in the market.